What's up, everybody? I finally have some exciting news. This is awesome. I've been working on this forever. This is WP for marketing, basically WordPress for marketing. I've been on both sides of the spectrum. In the beginning, I didn't know a bunch about tagging, UTMs, pixels, things like that, and I had to get permission to have those installed on WordPress websites. And vice versa, I had teams of marketers that would contact me to create these UTMs, place these UTMs, use their tags and things like that. So there's always this kind of dichotomy of two different, more or less, jobs that have to get along and be synced together to have a basic Facebook campaign run, or a basic Instagram campaign run, or a basic Google campaign run. So what I created was WP for marketing. Now this does a lot of the work for you. So for example, here's a tab here. This is the tag manager. This kind of started it all. Now anything here, you can do Facebook and Instagram tag, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, all these different, your Google Analytics, everything. You can just go ahead, pop it in there and save it. We also have the custom tags. So you want to put a header tag inside of there, body, footer. And we also have what everybody always neglects because it's always been such a pain, is event tracking. You can create your own event tracking, button clicks, whatever it is, just throw it in there and it works perfectly. Different trigger types, everything right down the list. So you create your event here. So we'll just do a test here. Let's see, button click when somebody clicks it, and you can go ahead to click there, create the event. And there it is. So right there, your event saves all the information right there. Now we have the pixel scanner as well. So if you don't know what's on your website already, you can click the scan website for pixels and you can see what's already installed. I'm not going to do it live right here because this is actually my real website and there are pixels on there and I don't want you guys to have my code because it's mine. Here's another thing everybody runs into is the UTM generator. So for example, where do you want this link to go? This is basically so you can track where leads are coming from. So we'll just say we want people to go to my homepage here. Where are you posting this link? For example, we'll do Facebook. What type of post is this? We'll say we'll do an event for marketing. We'll just say some type of marketing event. What should we call this campaign? Do marketing event. Some extra details, we don't have to put those in there, so we'll just go ahead and save this. Our link is ready, so we can save that UTM, and we can take this right here, the link, and place it in our campaign so we know exactly where people are coming from, and that type of traffic will be more or less attributed to that campaign. So we'll copy this, and you can see that because I did the homepage, it'll just bring you to the homepage of my website. See? But the UTM is still there, so all of that works perfectly fine. We have the redirect manager, pretty self-explanatory. You want one page to go to another page, we have everything to do that there. We also have an on-page pixel identifier. So if you're on a contact page, for example, this right here on top will actually show what pixels are on that page specifically. We also have some pixel debugging. So if you click on the debug mode, it'll redirect you to your page and you will have a pixel debug. We can submit a fake form here, we can see what's going on, and you'll be able to see what type of pixels are firing off there as well. Now for the SEO tools, on every page we have some light on-page SEO tools here. You can see what that does here, the features. Now we have the technical SEO. If you go ahead and put in your Google API here, you can test your own speeds here for each part. So your desktop, your mobile, you can test your speeds on this app itself as well. And the 404 monitor. This is working as well. You can scan for 404s. My website is, wow, I have a lot of 404s. Don't be like me, but at least we know that I have a ton of 404s. That's not good. Of course, you can create redirects, easy fixes that'll fix your. Looks like I have some work to do. It looks like I need to do some redirecting, but either way, that is a tool. Now we have some extras here as well. This is the QR code generator. For example, you want a website URL, we can put a website URL there. Plain text, email address, phone number, Wi-Fi card, contact card, whatever it is, we can make a QR code on your website. You can generate as many as you want. So if we want to go ahead and create one for the home page, take this, pop that in there. QR code size, we'll do large, why not? We'll make it red and we'll generate it. Now that, we get the phone here, we'll scan it. What does it do? Brings up the website. It works. So we will save that here. And now we have a library of QR codes right down here, as many as you want. So that's really the bulk here of WP for marketing. Basically, I'm going to be working on this all the time. There's going to be a ton of different features here. We're going to be trying to replace softwares that you're paying hundreds of dollars a month for. Put it inside here as well. Maybe some keywords, or maybe some keyword trackers, maybe cache settings, maybe some page speed optimizers, a couple of things like that. So you have the free version, which basically has almost everything, and then we have the paid version for $20 a month, and that's going to lock you in for life for all of the things that we're going to add onto it. Eventually by the end of the year, or if we hit over 1,000, we're going to bump that up to $40 a month for all the new members. So go ahead if you want to try out the free version. This is the website right here, wpformarketing.com. You can download the free version, or you can go ahead and buy the premium version as well. Of course, the first 1,000 people that get it are going to have it, and everybody else, we're going to start it at 40, and then so on. You're going to be locked in to what you buy this for. So have fun. Let me know what you think, and I'm excited.